Hazrat Abu Usman has reported from Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu. One of the Prophet's daughters sent for him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while he as well as Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah and Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu were accompanying him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The message goes, "My daughter is breathing her last, so please come to us." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon sent her salutation saying, "Undoubtedly, whatever Allah Jalla Jalaluhu takes and bestows belong only to him, and there is a calculated term of everything with him. So be pleased with Allah's pleasure and be patient." The daughter, adjuring him under an oath, sent for him again. So the Prophet ﷺ got up. So did we. She nestled the baby in her lap while the baby was extremely short of breath. So the Prophet's eyes overflowed with tears. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is this?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "This is compassion which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu inspires in the hearts of those bondsmen whom He pleases, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shows affection to those of His bondsmen who are compassionate." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5655.